Okay, okay, okay.
Ayan. Ayan, for the days. Oh, wait. Okay, yan mga idol, for today's vlog. Andito po tayo sa Thai Express Restaurant. So, magkakaroon po tayo ng honest review. Okay, kita-kits tayo doon. Tingnan natin kung anong masarap nila doon at kung meron ba talagang masarap. Okay, kita-kits tayo doon sa loob. Bye for now.
Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Dup 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 dup. Dup 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 you'll be alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, 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 alright. Okay, okay.
Ha? Okay, honest review tayo. Mami.
For my order is, what was that? Beef something?
Beef.
It's a kind of beef.
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 Beef. Pineapple.
Basta,
I know, pineapple. Ay, pineapple
basta
yata.
yung beef.
Pineapple Thai.
Yung syllable. Syllable ba yung tawag doon? At itaw ka na din.
Syllable ba? Basta ka ng syllable ka na.
Itaw ka na say, what's the tawag na?
I-seal ni mo ba para di siya kuan.
Itaw ka na, der.
Para di sila mabuslot.
Der, kuan nga ni specialty. Bestseller.
Sellable.
Basta, sale good, sale.
Basta sister ko rin ako.
Basta, kuan siya. It was a little bit, for me, it's a little bit sweet, but it's 8 out of 10. But their meat, the beef, it's so good. But the sauce, it's a little bit sweet for me.
Oh,
So
what about you,
it's,
Zai?
8 out of 10.
What about you, Zai? You rate?
9 out of 10.
Aww. Anong flavor yun sa'yo?
What you order?
General Thai pineapple with chicken.
It's a chicken pineapple something. Chicken.
Okay, yung sa akin naman, dahil hindi ko naman talaga order yun. Order ni Syke yun, which is mango ang flavor.
What's It's mango. Manga.
Mango. As in manga. So, yeah, medyo iba yung panlasa para sa akin. Kasi, sa totoo lang, yung nakuha ni Syke, yun yung order ko, which is pineapple sana. Kaya nagtaka ako, bakit kako, parang iba yung lasa. Yung pala, yung manga, ayun na nasa akin. So, yun nga, medyo matamis siya. Medyo, well, satisfied naman, pero sabihin na natin 90. Hindi naman tayo may masyadong kuripot magbigay ng rate eh. Hindi tulad dyan sa isa eh.
90 but 8.
90. Sa akin 90. Ang Syke 90. Hanggang mami 80. Kaya yun. Kaya wag na kayong mag-wish na magiging teacher ito dahil hindi kayong ma-honorable mention yan. Wala kayong honorable mention. But honorable not mentioned.
The term is honest review. So that's my honest opinion.
I know.
Taste, honest taste.
Kaya nga, wag na kayong mag-wish na maging teacher yan. Dahil pag yan ang naging teacher, wala kayong asahang honor. Ay, nandiyan sila.
Huh? What?
Akala ko sa'yo. Anyways, yun lang ang masasabi namin. So, honest yun. Honest review yun talaga. So, hanggang sa muli, kita-kits tayo sa ibang ibang establishment naman. Okay? Bye for now. Okay, bye-bye.